that I will get a condo in Atlanta with the view because it's my favorite part of the city. Just look how beautiful it is, you guys. Like, look at all these buildings. It's so pretty. Alright, well, off to work. Hey guys, so I'm just filming this on my phone because I forgot my battery in my car and we're trying to unload. So I just want to do this real quick before we bring everything in. But this is my official condo in Atlanta. It's actually in Buckhead. So when you walk in, you just have like this little hallway with recessed lights. It's pretty small. It's 700 square feet. So on the left when you walk in, you have the washer and the dryer. And then when you come in, it's considered a 1-bedroom, but it's kind of a studio because it doesn't have an actual door. But this is kind of like my door right here. When you walk in, this is the bedroom. So this is where my bed will go. And then I'll have my TV up there. And then when you come in more, I have a walk-in closet. So this is my closet. And then over here, I have my bathroom. So I actually love my bathroom. So this is the bathroom. Got cabinets and everything. My sink, mirror. And I'm actually doing this like pretty fast because I have to go to work. I had to sign in my shower. I had to sign really fast. It's a whole ordeal, so I had to sign before I go into work. So I'm going into work tonight, so I really don't have time to move like a whole bunch of stuff in, but yeah, so. And then once you come over here, these are like my floor to ceiling windows, kind of / patio. This is like the living area. And then you have the kitchen. So this is my kitchen. Yeah, so sink and all my cabinets, refrigerator. Then you got a little pantry over here. Yeah, I got a pantry. And then this is my patio. Let me see if I can. So I have a patio. Try to unlock it. Yeah, so I have a little balcony area, and then here's my view. I actually like my view. In the winter time, you can see more of the city, but you kind of get a view of the city and trees. Someone told me that Atlanta was once called the city of trees because for a city, Atlanta does have a lot of trees. So I kind of like it because it kind of defines Atlanta. Like I can see both the trees and a little view of the city. So yeah. And then of course, like I said, it's kind of like a patio / floor to ceiling windows. But yeah, guys, so my small little cozy space, my first condo ever, and I love it. So yeah. Okay guys, so right now I am in my workout center. I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like. So this is our workout center. We have treadmills, bikes, like more bikes, and then a couple of machines. We have dumbbells and benches and stuff. It has actually a lot of equipment to work out. Well, here's our sauna and steam room. I'm not gonna go in there right now, but through that door is a sauna and steam room. So that's it for our like little workout center. And over here we have a screening room. I think you have to reserve to come in here, but it's like a little theater area that we have as well as one of our amenities that is available to us. And here's our club room. This is where you can like host events and little parties, things like that. And then out this window is where they're building our pool. So I'll insert a picture if I can find one of what the pool is supposed to look like, but they're saying our pool should be ready by Labor Day. So we also have a pool, and then in the club room, there's a pool table, a ping pong table, and then of course just like sitting areas if you just want to host an event. There's a TV and everything. So yeah, those are all of our amenities that we have. And then you also have a reserved parking space. So yeah, that's it for the amenities. Hey guys, so me and my mom decided to go on a walk. This is one of the places that is within walking distance of my condo. So that's one of the things I love about my condo as well, is that I can get to literally anything, either walking or driving, within like 5 minutes. So I can walk here, and it has like a bunch of shops and restaurants, and it's just really, really pretty. So yeah, that's one of the things I love about the condo I stay in. It's very safe, and it's very convenient. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm in my robe. I got home from work not too long ago, so it's currently Monday morning. I worked Sunday night and I was supposed to work tonight, which is Monday night, but our census is so low that they're canceling people. So I probably will not be working tonight, but I wanted to come on here and kind of add some more on to my empty condo vlog. So I wanted to I'm going to film some clips of them, but I wanted to also tell you guys some of the amenities that I also have in my new condo. So we have a gym, of course, and we also have a steam room and a sauna, and we also have a pool, but the pool is being built, so they're hoping that it'll be open by Labor Day. So the pool is going to be brand new, and we also have 24-hour concierge, so that's like added security. So I really like that, especially being a single woman living in a city by myself. I love the security in the condo that I live in. And also when you have your key, it comes with like a little fob, and you're only allowed to go to your floor, so you have to scan your fob before you pick your floor, and it only allows you to go to that floor. So let's say I lived on like the 18th floor, my fob would only allow me to go to the 18th. I couldn't go to the 7th floor or the 8th floor. I can only go to the floor where my condo is. So that's another added security feature that I like about this condo. But I'm gonna add some clips of those different things for you guys, and by now you would have seen the empty condo tour, and then also me manifesting my condo in one of my earlier videos. And I honestly didn't think that it would happen this fast, because it all happened kind of I don't know, it's like God just put everything in motion and in place. So it's like, even though this whole thing is going on with COVID, God is still blessing me. Yeah, so those are the amenities. I'm gonna insert some clips of those so you guys can kind of see what those look like. And then also like I said, the security. I love the security, and I'm going to give you guys an updated condo tour, because my parents actually helped me out so much with moving. Even when I was at work, they came and they moved stuff in for me. So my condo is basically finished. I'm just missing like a few little things. So I'm gonna do another video, like an updated video, showing you guys how I finished my condo, because I love it. It's definitely like, my style's kind of minimalistic, but also kind of like warm and cozy. So I'm really excited to show you guys that. But I guess I'll give you like a little sneak peek of my organization, because I wanted my place to be so organized, like every single thing organized, from my bathroom to my kitchen to my refrigerator to my pantry, everything, my closet. So I'm in the kitchen now, because like I said, I just got home from work not too long ago. I just took a shower, and now I'm gonna get some breakfast. But I'll show you guys the organization in my refrigerator, because it's one of the things that I really love. So here is my refrigerator. So I got a label maker from Sam's Club, and I labeled everything. So like that back there is labeled juice. I'm gonna put all my juices in my my containers. I have creamer, I have almond milk behind there, and then I have like my berries, my yogurt, butter, eggs, and then down here I just have like some vegetables, some cold brew, milk, water. That's garlic that I also took out of its original packaging. And then in the left I have vegetables, and in the right I have I can't remember, I think just like random stuff, and then cheeses and stuff are in here. So it's not complete yet, but that's just kind of like a sneak peek of my fridge and like the organization, because I really wanted everything to be as organized as possible. So now I'm going to show you guys my pantry too. So I have a little pantry right here, and I want to show you guys the organization in there. So I did the same thing, like I took everything out of its original packaging and labeled it in these clear and glass containers so I can see everything. So I have sugar, oil, cereal, pastas, and then I got these baskets to help me organize. So these are for my chips and snacks, and then my breads, even though I have like a bread container coming that I'm probably going to put up here, but for now, since I don't have it yet, that's where I have my breads and different things like my soups. And I'm still, like I said, working on the organization, but that's kind of just like a sneak peek of how everything is going to look. So I'm really excited to be doing my organization and making my condo organized in every aspect, because I don't know, like I always feel more at home and more comfortable when my place is clean and my area is clean and organized, and everything has a place, especially in a condo as small as this, or even just a small space. You have to maximize every single amount of space that you have, and I think just being organized really helps with that, because I don't want my space to be cluttered. I also wanted to come on here and show you guys what I'm going to be having for breakfast. So I'm going to be having Greek yogurts. It's honey and vanilla and it is so good. I get it from Aldi. You guys, I usually am like kind of actually very like extremely picky with yogurt, and I ate this yogurt in like a day and a half, 2 days. It is so good. So it's honey and vanilla from Aldi. And I added some fresh raspberries and then also bananas. Sometimes I'll like chop my banana up and put it in there, but today I'm just gonna eat it on the side, and then I have water. Yeah, so this is my breakfast. I'm also thinking about making a coffee. I am obsessed with my coffee maker. My parents blessed me with a Keurig, if that's how you say it, Keurig, coffee machine, but it also frosts milk and makes like lattes and cappuccinos, and I'm obsessed. It's so good. So I'm thinking about doing a cup of coffee, but I don't know because I think I might want to go to sleep. But I'm off, so I don't know if you've watched any of my other videos, but when I'm off, sometimes I like to stay up after my 12-hour shift and stay up as long as I can, because even if I go to sleep at like 5 in the afternoon or 6 that night, I'll sleep more of the night and then kind of be back on a regular day shift schedule for a long break off. And I have a while off. Today is the 4th. Today is May 4th or May 5th. I can't remember. Honestly, when I shift, all my days kind of go together. But I'm off until the 14th. So I have like a 9-10 day stretch off. So I definitely don't want to be asleep during the day and up during the night for all that time. But I don't know. So I'm either going to make some coffee with my Keurig, or I'm going to drink some of this cold brew. And this cold brew is good. I got cold brew because I really want to get into drinking black coffee. One of my coworkers mentioned that cold brew is a good way to get into it, and it's not as bad as like drinking black hot coffee, but it's still pretty nasty. So maybe I'm just never going to be a black coffee drinker, but I just absolutely I can't do it right now. Like, I love sweet coffee. Oh, and this is my first time trying oat milk, and you guys, this brand right here, Oatly, I got it from Target. You guys, it is so good. I haven't had cow's milk in I don't know how long. I don't miss it at all, drinking almond milk. And now that, I think that's my new favorite. It is kind of, why is everything blue? But sorry, I don't know why my camera just went blue, but it is kind of expensive. It's more expensive than cow's milk. Almond milk is too, but it's healthier for you. And you guys, it is so good. Like, I think I can just drink glasses of that because it's that good. But yeah, so I just want to come on here and share with you guys my breakfast. And then if I decide to make coffee, I'll put a clip of me making coffee in here too, because it's really like it's a whole experience. It's really fun to make coffee now with my new Keurig coffee machine, and I would love to share that with you guys. So I just wanted to show you my breakfast. guys, so me and my mom just went to the grocery store. I wanted to show you guys some of the stuff that we got. So we went to Aldi. If you're not aware, Aldi is a great option to shop. We really like their produce and their meats are good there, and it's really affordable. It's a lot more affordable than like Whole Foods and Sprouts, and it's like better quality than Walmart, but it's not as expensive as like Publix. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got there, and yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what we got from my grocery haul. So it was a really small grocery trip. Me and mom are gonna make some guacamole, so got some chips, picked up some lemons because I really need some lemons. These are the biggest lemons I've ever seen in my life. They even had bigger ones than these in a 3-pack, but I got the 4-pack. Got some more raspberries. I'm almost out. Parmesan cheese, the shredded, and the one used, the fresh cheese used for a grater, and then some more almond milk because I'm almost out of almond milk too. And that's it. That's all we got. Living in a space this size is going to help me with like spending, like not spending too much, and really buying things that have multiple uses and that I actually know I'm going to use, instead of just buying things spur of the moment and then it just sitting away and I never use it just because I have the space for it. So I think living in a place this size is going to be really good for me, and I love it because it's perfect. It's perfect for one person. It's perfect for me. I have a balcony, I have a couch, I have my own room, like, and I also have a nice view. I get a view of both nature and the city, which I love. So I think this place is a perfect size for me, for one person. And then of course when I get older and marry and have kids and things like that and move into a bigger space, like I said, I'll have this as my first real estate property that I can use to help build equity and bring me more money in the future. So I'm really, really excited, and I hope that you guys have enjoyed my empty condo tour slash vlog, and I will see you guys in the next video because I have a long stretch off, so many videos coming, nursing and non-nursing related, so stay tuned for that. All right, love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.